In this video, I show you exactly how I trade just with $10 in pocket option with this great strategy, easiest strategy for beginners. Stay with me. Hi, I'm Mohamed Ibrahimi and here is Tabjarat FX channel, and welcome to another live trade in the pocket option site. Before starting training, don't forget to like and subscribe. I need your support, my friend, for more free videos. For free signal, VIP signal, join my Telegram. For copy trade capacity is really limit and condition are in Telegram. Telegram ID in the description, or you can use QR code. If you want to trade yourself, be sure to practice in demo account, or if you don't have an account in the pocket option, you can use the link in the description for create a real account, demo account, or use 50% bonus. Let's go to the chart. Okay, my friend, for this great strategy, we need three indicators: Keltner channel, stochastic, RSI, and we need pass of the market, time frame 1 minute. Settings for Keltner channel, stochastic, RSI. Okay, my friend, let's find first signal. Okay, my friend, look at this here. In this point, in the pass of the market, we have a many point here, point or touch. Many point here, many point here, and many point here. But we need confirm in another indicator. In the Keltner channel, stochastic, RSI, all three or just one. Okay. Now in this point we confirm in the RSI. In the RSI we have a two confirm. Confirm in the break green line or confirm in the pass of the market in the RSI. Now we receive confirm break green line. And this market move up. Good job. First profit. Let's find another signal. Okay, my friend, look at this here. In this point, the pass of the market, we have a 2 point here, many point here, confirm the RSI, break green line, and confirm the pass of the market in the RSI. Look at this, touch here, touch here. So this market move up. Perfect, my friend, good job, another good profit. How it's work, another indicator. In the Keltner channel, when the candle cut the blue line, it's a signal. And in the stochastic, blue line cut the orange line. Look at this, it's a signal. It's a signal, okay? So let's find another signal, my friend. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I need your support for more free videos. For free signal, join my Telegram. For copy trade capacity is very limit and condition are in Telegram. Telegram ID in the description, or you can use QR code. If you want to trade yourself, be sure to practice in demo account, my friend. Okay, my friend, look at this here in this point. In the path of the market, we have a 3 point here, 2 point, 1 point here, confirming the RSI, the path of the market. Look at this, touch here, and touch here. So this market moved down. Perfect, my friend, good job. Another good profit, and it was my last trade, my friend. Perfect, my friend. In this video we managed to convert $10 into $50,000. It's great. With this great and easy strategy for beginners. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I need your support, my friend, for more free videos. For free signal or VIP signal, join my Telegram. For copy trade capacity is really limit and condition are in Telegram. Telegram ID in the description, or you can use QR code. If you want to trade yourself, be sure to practice in demo account, or if you don't have any kind of pocket option, you can use the link in the description for create a real account, demo account, or use 50% bonus. Share this video to your friends. Be sure to watch my other video. Until the next video, peace out.